Okay, again, our theme for this week is making money trading the post-elections, and we had come up with strategies before the elections on how we could potentially make money trading based on whatever the results from those elections may be. So I put a link back to our notes from October, probably 19th or 20th as part one, before the elections. Talked about how to make money trading pre-election. So we identified some potential Trump trades. If Trump wins, what would be positive, negative? If Trump wins versus what would be positive, negative? If Harris wins, we now have, the results. So what was positive, we identified, so oil and natural gas producers, service companies, etc. Again, not necessarily the oil price. And we saw again that drop in oil price, but it is positive for some of these oil and natural gas service type companies, exploration companies, cryptocurrency. So we saw again, Bitcoin made several new um, all-time highs this week, so very positive for cryptocurrency. We'll talk about tomorrow how we're trading that spike in Bitcoin. Apparently, Trump is pro-nuclear, so this should be positive for the nuclear industry. Also, companies that benefit from less regulation, that would be potentially the nuclear industry, maybe one of those industries. So he talks about reducing regulation. So companies that may benefit from that, utilities being one, oil and natural gas, doing more leasing, less restrictions, etc. Some of the negatives. It's pharmaceuticals and biotechs. RFK is apparently going to be focused on healthcare costs, and that would be a negative for pharmaceuticals, also for biotechs, because obviously, if the big pharma companies are making less money, then they can't spend as much to acquire biotechs, spend as much on licensing. So again, I'm not terribly bullish on the whole pharmaceutical biotech industry going forward. Also tariffs, he's big on tariffs, and we talked about a potential impact of tariffs going into the election. So now we want to think about, what could be the potential impact of those tariffs. Talked about the impact on and possible retaliation in countries like China. So companies um, that could be impacted negatively by tariffs on China or by retaliatory actions from China. So exporters, again, U.S. exporters and commodities that may suffer from retaliatory actions, like we'll look in some detail about what those might be. Also, we talked about countries, again, China, Europe, Mexico, we talked about will all be negatively impacted by tariffs. So one of the things I asked based on this idea of retaliatory tariffs, particularly from China, is for which U.S. exports is China the biggest buyer? So where would the biggest impact from retaliatory action from China be? So I asked ChatGPT that question, and we'll want to go over that answer just briefly. And then again, you can read this in more detail at your leisure via the link in the notes. So you can see some of the key exports for which China is the biggest buyer. Number one is soybeans. So again, I was a little surprised that we didn't get more of a negative reaction in the soybean commodity. I was surprised also semiconductors and manufacturing equipment. I know ASML, some other AMAT, um, are semiconductor equipment companies, so they could get hit. Also, aircraft and aerospace, so Boeing, other related products could be the target of tariffs. Again, I was surprised the crude oil So largest imports of U.S. crude oil. So I would have thought they got replaced a lot of their production, also liquefied natural gas, so LNG. And I would have thought they'd be getting a lot of theirs, even though it's a sanction from Russia, now potentially from Iran. So if Iran gets sanctioned, you might see China getting more oil from Russia and Iran and less from the US. EVs, so a couple double negatives on EVs, automotives. Tesla could get hit. Pork, corn, other grains. So that was another one I highlighted as all the grains. We know they do soybeans. I thought they did wheat too, and cotton. So again, they do a lot of apparel manufacturing. So um, again, those are all areas, and also, we talk about specific companies. If they're reliant on a lot of their revenue from China, could be Apple, could be Nike, etc. Estee Lauder, we've heard. So think about those companies and trade accordingly. That could be negatively impacted by tariffs, their inputs, cost increases, squeeze their profit margins, or could lose revenue due to retaliatory actions. So we'll have to listen very carefully to what tariffs actually get applied. So it was pretty positive for these sectors on Trump's win. We saw, again, significant negative reactions in the ones that would have been positive on a Harris win. So became negatives on the Trump win. So cannabis, again, kind of a no touch at this point. Also, many of the states, including Florida, that had recreational cannabis on the ballot did not pass. So I think 4 out of 5 or something did not pass. So all those potential catalysts in cannabis are gone now. I don't know of any positives catalysts for cannabis at this time. Also very negative for clean energy, solar. Trump's talking about pulling out of the Paris Accords. So any company who is benefiting from those restrictions, also EVs. He talked about removing the federal requirement to be mostly EVs in the future. So again, other than Tesla, I would say may see a very negative impact on the whole EV supply chain as well. And also neither, in my humble opinion, neither administration really would have been positive for pharmaceuticals, biotechs. So again, I think that pop in LabVIEW in the biotech industries was just a part of the exuberant risk-on move, and particularly in technology. So we had also talked about how to make money in November of a presidential election year, and you can hear ChatGPT's answer via the link in the notes. Also, our previous discussions about how to make money trading election years, also trading in November in general, trading in the fall. So we've got links to all those videos, and you can access all of those in our notes. So love to hear y'all's feedback too. Do you have other ideas that might be positive or negative trades based on the results of the election? Um, what do you think, ideas for other areas that might be impacted by tariffs, by decreasing regulation, mergers and acquisitions? Also, I guess I missed that one, is the Biden administration been pretty negative on mergers, and that we think that that might be open for business again. So we might see, cheap companies get scooped up by companies that are flush with cash. Also, they blocked a number of mergers. It was positive, so we saw a positive reaction from some of those companies that had planned to merge and been blocked. So I think we'll see a pickup in mergers and acquisitions, also big banks that benefit and get fees from mergers and acquisitions. I think JP Morgan, some of those big banks make a lot of money on mergers and acquisitions. So it will benefit them as well. So again, let me know what other ideas you have for making money post-elections. Put it in the comments to our video or in our Discord. Again, love to hear your additional ideas. We can help each other make money trading, help each other succeed in our trading careers.
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel.
Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again. Good luck and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.